Hi guys, this is Carrie with Fullerton Professional Organizing, and I want to show you how I have my linen closet still organized. Not perfect, it's not Pinterest worthy probably, but it works for me, and none of us are perfect, are we? Some of us just can find what we need when we need it. I have quilts and comforters in the bottom, and then I have sheets and pillowcases, and this is where I keep my toilet paper, and this is where I have extra storage memorabilia. It says Christmas decorations, but it's really stuff, my wedding, my bridal veil, and stuff from before we were married 30 some odd years ago stuff up there. But this is how my linen closet is nice and tidy. Not perfect, but nice and tidy.